Alright guys, I'm going to show you guys the exit signs that are here in this hotel that I'm staying at. So, right here we got a Running Man exit sign. It's a two-sided and it has LED lights in it. It's mounted to the ceiling. You get a fire alarm right here. Some fire hoses and extinguishers. There's a fire alarm right there. Making our way down the hall. Oh. Over here we got another fire hose and extinguisher. Fire alarm right there. There's a green Running Man exit sign, and it has two sides on it, even though this one doesn't need two sides. But and then over here we've got another green Running Man exit sign, just like the other one with the arrow. So yeah. Okay guys, I'm back. I don't know how many more exit signs I'm going to be able to film, but I'm on the main floor now, and there's a green Running Man exit sign right there, and then there's another one right there with the arrow pointing to that door, fire hose and fire extinguisher, and then we got a fire alarm up there, and then there is another green letter exit sign. No, sorry, not a green letter, a green Running Man exit sign. Sorry. Fire alarm right there. And then we got another fire alarm right there. Green Running Man exit sign right there. And then there's a green Running Man exit sign there, and then one over there, but I'm not going to walk over there because that is a chapter. We don't want to really see. People will ask what I'm doing, but anyways though. Oh, by the way, for those of you that are into elevators, this is a Delta elevator. There's two of them. We're actually going to go ahead and call it up to the floor that I'm staying on, so we're going to go ahead and go here. So yeah, for those of you that are into elevators, I thought maybe I'll clue some of this, and because I know this channel's about exit signs and emergency equipment and stuff, but you know, I thought I'll include an elevator. And that will be the end of this video, so thanks for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Have a great night. Or a day, wherever you are. Anyways, thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.